When we got to this spot, we knew we had our work cut out for us. So our initial thought when we got to this spot was we need to get the water off the road. After a week of drying out, we finally were able to get equipment in there and start working. So once we got the equipment in there, our first mission was to get the equipment down at the bottom of the hole and work up. While doing this, we were able to resource local materials to strengthen the shoulder to withstand all that traffic that's going to be on this road. After we got the hole filled, we were able to lay a new culvert. Once the culvert was in place, all that was left was the finishing touches on the road. This repair work was all done by fire dozer operators whose day job is putting out fires. To see the forest rent equipment for these operators to get the job done is pretty amazing.